Delhi Minister Atishi has hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party and stated that the BJP have arrested Arvind Kejriwal in a false case. She stated that firstly, they arrested him through their political tool, the ED. She stated that when they understood that he was going to walk out of jail in that case, that he had been granted bail by the trial court and the Supreme Court was going to grant him bail as well. They had him arrested by another political tool, the CBI, so that Arvind Kejriwal could not walk out of jail despite getting bail at multiple levels of India's judiciary. She added that the BJP is trying to permanently damage the health and body of Arvind Kejriwal. Atishi Singh has said that one of the documents released by the BJP is a report by Tihar Jail medical officer, which clearly shows how Arvind Kejriwal's health is being toyed with. Let's quickly listen into what she said.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक झूठे मुकदमे में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया। पहले अपनी राजनीतिक हथियार इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट ईडी से उनको गिरफ्तार करवाया। जब उनको समझ में आ गया कि उस मुकदमे में वो जेल से बाहर निकलने वाले हैं, ट्रायल कोर्ट से जमानत मिल गई, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी जमानत मिलने वाली है, तो अपने दूसरे राजनीतिक हथियार सीबीआई से उनको गिरफ्तार करवा लिया। इसलिए कि जब ईडी से जमानत मिल जाए, जो कि कुछ दिन पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट से मिल गई, फिर भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल से बाहर ना आ पाए। और जेल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी क्या करने की कोशिश कर रही है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल के स्वास्थ्य को, उनके शरीर को परमानेंटली डैमेज करने के लिए, उनके शरीर को परमानेंटली खराब करने की कोशिश कर रही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी 30 साल से डायबिटीज के मरीज हैं।
Shubh with me on the broadcast. Shubh, if you can take our viewers through this latest war of words between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party.
Definitely, Devika, and this is not the first time when the Delhi minister versus Tihar jail has come in the side, because from the day till Arvind Kejriwal went to Tihar jail, either his health is the biggest concern of Aam Aadmi Party. You remember when they were raising the issue of insulin, then he got the insulin, and now the dropping sugar levels of the chief minister are alarming, as said by the Delhi minister Atishi. But you know, Devika, it is interesting to note that only Sunita Kejriwal is allowed to meet Arvind Kejriwal, and yesterday Sanjay Singh have agreed that on the basis of the talks happening between Sunita Kejriwal and Arvind Kejriwal, later Sunita Kejriwal confessed this dropping sugar levels to Aam Aadmi Party ministers, and thereafter the press conferences have been happening, and therefore the Delhi minister Atishi, she have been said that BJP have arrested Arvind Kejriwal in a false case. First they have arrested him through the political tool ED, and when they understood that he was going to walk out in the jail in that case, then he had been granted bail by the trial court, and then the Supreme Court was going to grant him bail too. But they have arrested by another political tool, that is CBI. So definitely a war of words. Although if I talk about Tihar jail, the jail administration said that false claims were being made by the ulterior motives with intent to browbeat the prison administration. So definitely another war of words between Aam Aadmi Party, and this time Tihar jail stands firm in this matter, because they have been saying that all the claims made by Aam Aadmi Party ministers are being false. Here's back to you, Devika.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.